This session is about introduction to stacks and queues. Now here, in the left side, we have stacks, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now here, our topmost element is, the top of the stack is 1. After 1, we have 2. After 2, we have 3. After 3, we have 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now here in the stacks, if my aim is to access the element 5, in order to access my element, to access the element 5, what I need to do? First of all, I need to remove the 1. And after that, I need to remove the 2. And after that, I need to remove the 3. And after that, I need to remove the 4. And then I can access my 5. It means if we could consider carefully, in 1, initially 1 is my top of the stack. The top of the element of my stack is 1. When I remove that particular 1, it is known as pop. So when I use the pop feature, the pop behavior of the stack data structure, in that particular case, the top of the element will be popped up, and then the 2, it will become the top of the element. Here the 2 will become the top of the element. After that, now again, if I use and I write the pop 2, when I use the pop 2, what will happen? The 2 will come out. The 2 will come out, and then what will happen? My 3 will become the top of the element. After that, when I use the pop 3, the 4 will become my top of the element. And for 4, when my top of the element is 4 of the stack, then if I try to use the instruction pop 4, in that particular case, my 5 will become the top of the element, and then I can access. So based on our particular discussion, for stack, we have 3 features. For stack, we have 3 features. So namely, push operation, and we have pop operation, and we have peek operation. So when I say push, it means to insert a new element on the top of the stack. When I say pop operation, it means to delete, to remove completely the element present at the top of the stack. And when I use the peek element does not delete the top of the element. Rather, peek operation, it will display what is present in the top of the stack. So that's a basic introduction about stack operation. Now let's come to the queues operation. In queues, in the right side, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now here I have a wonderful opportunity to tell you about the type of the queue and stack. If we consider carefully, stack is known as LIFO. Stack is also considered as LIFO. It means last in, first out. It means last in, first out. So here, in order to build my stack, first of all, I'll make 7 as the top of my element, and then over that, I'll make 6, and over that, I'll push 5. Over that, I'll be pushing 4. Over that, I'll be pushing 3. Over that, I'll be pushing 2, and the last entered element is 1 here. So it means last in. Who is our last in? Which is 1. Now last in will be first out. So that's what this LIFO means. LIFO means last in, first out. And when I consider my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 here, 1, it became first. And after that, we have second. After that, we have 3 in queues operation. and we have 4, and then we have 5 in the Q data structure, and then we have 6, and then we have 7. Now the initially entered element was 1 here. That's why 1 will be accessed first. It means the first entered element will be first coming out. Hence the name FIFO. So FIFO, it also means that first in, first out. So that's it about stacks and queues. So have a nice day.